Ever pondered what happens when technology and artistry converge? Welcome to the realm of the Google Pixel 9 Pro, a beacon of innovation and elegance, where photography attains a whole new level of grandeur. Marvel at the meticulously crafted Google Pixel 9 Pro, a stunning amalgamation of style and practicality. Its superior materials and vibrant color options make it an engineering marvel that is second to none. Step into a realm of extraordinary colors and breathtaking details with the Pixel 9 Pro's 6.7-inch AMOLED display. The fusion of a buttery smooth 144 Hz refresh rate and HDR Plus technology ensures an immersive experience that brings each image to life with astonishing clarity. Driving the Pixel 9 Pro is the groundbreaking Google Tensor 3 chip, a testament to performance and AI brilliance. Brace for faster processing speeds, enhanced machine learning, and unparalleled efficiency. The result? A user experience that is nothing short of seamless. The Pixel 9 Pro's advanced triple camera system, powered by Google's leading-edge AI technology, takes your photography to new heights. With features like Magic Eraser and Real Tone, every moment you capture is transformed into a masterpiece of clarity and detail. Experience Android in its purest form with the Pixel 9 Pro, powered by the latest Android 13 operating system. With prompt updates straight from Google, your phone is always secure and up-to-date, giving you the peace of mind you deserve. The Google Pixel 9 Pro isn't just a smartphone, it's a game changer. With its unrivaled camera capabilities, mesmerizing display, and powerful performance, this device redefines what a smartphone can be. Keep an eye out for more updates on its official launch and availability. And remember, the future of smartphone technology is here, and it's waiting for you to explore.